What's up, PC Bros? We have an RTX 3090 gaming PC for you guys with 24 gigs of VRAM inside a beautiful case, the Gamdias Atlas M1 that we're going to talk more about, that has an awesome display and a really awesome case overall.
We also have the Solid 9 P41 Plus 1TB Gen 4, 32 gigs of Team Group RAM at 6000 megahertz. We have a 750W 80 plus gold Seagate power supply. We have Asia Horse black sleeve cables. We use the Sama PS360 with those RGB tubes. And this is the Gamdias Atlas M1, which is an awesome case, has a built-in LCD display that you can do different temperatures and whatnot on. And on top of that, guys, this thing comes loaded with RGB fans. So it's really easy to build, and it can fit micro, it can fit full size, and it's just a really good looking panoramic design.